Insect Newick review of Sun et al. 2020 phylogeny of Prolifica, although reporting mitogenome of a jewel beetle. Data is on Mendeley. We have alignments, figures, and we have .tre is an extension for sometimes used for phylogenies. So we have figure 4a, figure 4b. So I have two phylogenies from figure 4. Actually, there's no figure 4 in the paper. So here's a figure 3. So I guess they didn't modify it. Maybe some modification wasn't incorporated here. Anyway, just take one of these, and this is what the file looks like. This is, I haven't seen this format before. It's rather complex. So next format normally have the sequence IDs, but they've got some codes as the IDs, and the actual IDs are, or the taxonomic names are in comments, and some plotting styles also. So we need to open this in and then convert it to Newick, which gives us this. So I've now got the codes as the IDs. So I decided I thought I'd just treat this file as a kind of a mapping file itself, and just change the way it reads. Instead of reading columns, I'll just pull out this part and this part. So we have the code and square brackets within that, the word name and the terminal label. So this is a regular expression for writing this. It starts with a tab, pull out the code, match this part, and then match anything between the quotes. And then, because some of them have family names, some of them don't. Some of them have a space here, some of them don't. So this will just trim off and just leave the name, and put an underscore instead of space, and remove this dot. A couple of other minor things. Got probably subspecies. Just trim that off, and this code, so I think it's not really necessary. And just call it -sp is enough. And then, as usual, from the tree Newick string, swap out the codes for the species names. This worked pretty well. No problems here. So quite a neat format. Several species ambiguous, but it's fine. These are. Oh, I just noticed we have a family level label here. Usually so these very higher rank assignments, I usually prefer to trim these off. So I'm just going to remove this. So remove the. So we have a bifurcation denoted by open bracket, comma, and close bracket. So we remove that split and just retain the whatever is sister, which is this. And the root we have hydroscapha, which is as per the figure. Good. So I don't need to reroute it. Check terminals. Nope, no problem here. So it just remains to add this to This database, Sonatal, Figure 3a, mitogenome phylogeny of polyphaga, and 58 terminals, and job done.